Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a cupcake inspired by Celeste from Animal Crossing tutorial for you all. And if you're playing Animal Crossing like me, then you're looking for Celeste every day, trying to get a nice starry kind of recipe DIY. So first I'm going to take out this cupcake mold that I haven't used in forever, and I'm going to take some white clay and roll it into a thin snake. And then I'm going to chop it into little pieces along with some light brown and pink clay. And then we're just going to sequence them in like kind of alternating colors. And what we're going to do is we're going to place that around the cupcake mold, and this is supposed to be like a cupcake liner. And it doesn't have to be exactly around it because we're gonna place some white clay in the middle, and as we flatten that out, the liner gets spread to the sides. And taking my blade, I'm just gonna cut off the excess. Then for the actual Celeste head part, we're gonna take some red clay and we're just gonna shape it into a mound. You know, the perfect cupcake top. And I'm gonna place a little bit of wire in our cupcake base just to attach to the top part. Then for the face, we're going to take some white clay and we're going to flatten it out. And then using our polymer clay blade, we're just going to shape it and cutting it into that mask kind of shape that Celeste has. And we're just going to round off the sides with our fingers. And we're going to place the face towards the bottom half of the cupcake head. So Celeste has some feathery eyebrows, so we're going to take some red clay and pinch it into a teardrop shape, and then pinch one end to make it more feather shaped. And then here you can see I'm out of frame, but I used my blade to make 3 little etch marks on the side to make it more feathery, and then we're going to place that along our white face. For the beak, I'm going to take some light orange clay and kind of shape it into a cone, and then cut off the end with my blade and place that where the eyebrows and the face meet. Next we're going to give it some facial features, so I'm taking some flattened pieces of oval black clay and we're going to place that next to the beak, and then 2 ovular pieces of pink clay, and that's going to be under the eyes. And then on the eyebrows there's going to be 5 dots of white clay each. And then on the beak, 2 more dots of light brown clay. Then next we're going to make Celeste's giant iconic pink bow. So I'm taking some pink clay, I'm pinching into a teardrop shape, but it's more like a butterfly wing. And then I'm going to make an indent with the dull side of my blade. And I'm taking the same pink clay, cutting out a rectangular strip for the middle part of the bow. And so after we place our 2 bow pieces together, we're going to wrap it like a present. And then this will conclude our Celeste for now. So I'm just gonna bake this as is in the oven according to label instructions. And then once baked, I remove the mold from the cupcake body. And here we have our Celeste cupcake. And I wish the wrapper turned out a little bit better, but overall, I'm content with how it came out. So now, this is the part where I get to do a little announcement. I'm gonna do an Animal Crossing Dreamy cupcake series. So I want you all to write down your favorite like Animal Crossing character that you would want in your village. And if you see someone who already wrote the one you like, just give that a thumbs up on the comment, and then you can comment underneath it. Basically, the Animal Crossing villager with the most likes will be the next tutorial I make out of this series. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you.